Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A03s and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to tap on biometrics and security. Now let's scroll down and tap on other security settings, and as you can see at the very top we've got setup SIM card lock. After tapping on it we can find the change SIM card pin option, so let's tap on it, and as you can see right now we have to enter current SIM pin, so the SIM pin you've got right now set, tap on OK, and right now we can enter a new one. So let me enter it, tap on OK, and right now we have to retype it in order to confirm. And as you can see, the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so it means that actually from now on your device, after restarting it, will require the new pin. So actually this is it. This is how to change SIM pin in your Samsung Galaxy A03s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.